Alright everyone, QUEERVEE here, and I got Paletteful packs on the same day that I got art snacks. It's been a pretty exciting day. But yeah, so I'm excited to open this. I do want to say something real quick before I open it. If you watched my last month's unboxing, you will know that I was unhappy with how long it took to get to me, and so I reached out to Paletteful packs and I said, you know, it would be awesome if you could send them like at the end of the previous month and not at the start of the month so that we can get them in the first week. And they sent a really nice email back and we're like, yeah, we need to work on that and we're totally gonna try to send them out earlier. And they have. I got this one. This is the second day of the month. I got both art snacks and Paletteful packs on the second day of the month, which I think is great. That's perfect. That's exactly what it should be. So thank you so much for listening to me and sending them earlier, because that's awesome. But okay, sorry, I'll stop talking about that now. I know you guys are here to see the products. Alright, but I just thought that was really cool of them. So A+ Paletteful packs. What's inside? I don't know. Oh, there's white ones. White. Woo. Oh my gosh, I already see some stuff in here that I know I like. Wee worms. You know, I actually kind of like these white ones. They're kind of pretty. Like, I don't know. This is nice. Okay. So, I see these two. Marabu Aqua inks. Graphix Aqua ink. And oh my gosh, they are such beautiful colors. This is Magenta and lemon, I guess. Yeah. And they're very pretty. I like these colors a lot. Okay, so we'll put those aside for now. It looks like there's a set of 4 fineliners in here. Looks like a brush. We'll look at that a little later. Ooh, 2 brushes. Oh my god, they sent us 2 brushes. Ooh, Velvetouch. Oh, I like this kind. Art Snacks did a Velvetouch one way back, and I really liked it. This is nice. Oh, this is really cool. Okay, sorry, I'm gonna look at, oh my god, there's more! There's more in here. Okay. Ooh. Ooh, this is big. 25 sheets, ready cut watercolor, 100% cotton. Oh my gosh. Standard size sheets for ready-made frames and mats. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. I'm like very impressed with this. I like this. I like this. Okay, I'll stop saying that, but 500 series, I think that's the good kind. Wow. I'm impressed with this. This is what was making the box so heavy. I was wondering why it was so heavy. But okay. Alright, I'm very excited. Let's read all about it. Read all about it! I want to put it so that you guys can see it, and it's all a good time, and I'm probably gonna open that box. Okay. Alright. May Petite pack. Oh yeah, I forgot to say this is a Petite Paletteful packs box. Oops, it's a Petite! May Petite pack. Marabu Graphix Aqua ink. Marabu Graphix Aqua ink, 15 milliliters. Magenta and lemon yellow. Light fast pigment based watercolor inks with concentrated colors that are both naturally transparent and ultra brilliant. Try your favorite watercolor techniques with a brush or make bold lines with a dip pen. Even when dry, the colors can still be dissolved with water to create interesting translucent effects. Shake vigorously before use. Retail $5.98. And I feel like that's for both of them, maybe? I don't know if that's one each. I'll look it up later. Okay, and the Marabu Graphix Black Fineliner set of 4. This set of 4 high-quality black ink pens is ideal for illustrations, sketches, fine art, cartooning, lettering, and more. Water-based, water-soluble, low-odor ink that will not bleed through most papers. Perfect for pen and ink washes. Brush with water to blur and shade the lines. This set of black pens comes with 4 different nib sizes, 0.2, 0.4, 0.8, and brush tip. Retail $6.99. And I'm gonna open it because I'm obnoxious. No. Come on. No, no, don't take so long. I don't want to edit this. Alright. So it kind of reminds me of the Faber-Castell ones, except those were weirder. Let's see. Okay, yep, they're just like little fine liners. I want to see the brush. Oh, the brush looks nice. Cute. Oh, it's kind of... okay. I know I probably shouldn't do it on my finger, but whatever. Okay, so these are looking pretty okay. I don't really need more fine liners, but that's okay. Especially not waterproof ones, but I mean non-waterproof ones. But that's okay. I will still try these out and use these. Okay, the Princeton Artist Brush Co. Velvetouch 6 flat and 3 round. So everybody got the same. Oh, and everybody got the same colors too, it looks like. Okay, so Velvetouch is the next generation premium quality mixed media brush. The blend of synthetic is unique to each individual shape to enhance performance. Comfort is also ensured with the brush's smooth signature Velvetouch handle. I do like the handle, I'm not gonna lie. The retail value is $9.35 for the flat and $7.95 for the round. The Strathmore 500 series ready cut watercolor paper. Experience Strathmore's highest quality watercolor paper without having to buy a 22 by 30 sheet. With this pack, there's no need to cut down larger sheets and no wasted paper. This sheet of 500 series premium watercolor paper are pre-cut into standard size sheets for ready-made frames and mats. This paper is 100% cotton, archival, lignin, I don't know how to actually pronounce that, and acid-free. Retail $12.29. So that's awesome. I like this box. What is the prompt? Ooh, week 1 jellyfish, week 2 throne, week 3 bloom, and week 4 London. So I'm gonna be doing mermaid for everything this month, basically, for both Paletteful Packs and Art Snacks Challenge. So I'm probably gonna do the jellyfish one. But yes, I'm very excited for this. Actually, all of these could work for mermaids, so that's pretty good. But yes, I like this pack. I'm mostly happy about the brushes, this and this. Fine liners, not as much, but that's okay. These I'm very excited for because I have one color in this, but it's a color that I wouldn't like use very often for much that I got in Art Snacks. Oh, where is it? But these are colors that I would use a lot. They're very pretty, so I'm very excited for this because I've been wanting more of this because I like these. So yes, this was a pretty good box. I like it, and thank you Paletteful Packs for listening to me when I reached out to you. I know that's not the only reason, I'm sure you got other feedback too, but it's awesome that you guys really care, and yeah. So I hope everybody enjoyed watching that. I also want to say a special thank you to all of my patrons, Ezsithyn, Artemystik, Kim, Rhian, Jill, and Ashley. You guys are the best. Thank you so much. If anybody else is interested in checking out my Patreon, there's a link below. It's really cool. And also, it would be awesome if you could leave a like, subscribe to me, or leave a comment so I can get to know you. That would be awesome. And I hope you guys are having a good day, because I am. Bye, everyone!